Welcome to Say It Right. Today's word is knack. The spelling of knack is K-N-A-C-K, but an interesting aspect of this word is that the K is silent, so it is pronounced knack. Let's break down the pronunciation. Repeat after me, knack. Now, what does knack mean? Knack is a noun that refers to a natural talent or skill that enables someone to do something easily and effectively. For example, you might say, she has a knack for painting, or John has a knack for solving puzzles. These sentences illustrate how knack describes an individual's unique talent. Let's practice the pronunciation one more time. Ready? Say it with me. Knack. Excellent job. Thank you for engaging with this content. If you found it informative, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time on Say It Right.